So really quickly, I want to show you how to get a scannable QR code for your website or landing page that you can use to share your website in person, whether it's on a business card, on a direct mailer, maybe it's on, a sticker that you're sticker bombing, maybe even it's on like a billboard, who knows? But it's a super easy way to get QR codes, and let's show you how to do it. So Google Chrome actually just came out with this update to where if you're on your website, go to the top where the domain is typed, click on it, and then right here it's going to show this like little button. All you got to do is click that and then just download this code. And when you pull up that code, I'll pull up my phone right now. We'll do like QR. So I've got the QR reader there, and then here's my new QR code, scan it. So as you can see, super easy to scan to my site and, send traffic through a physical QR code. So like I said, this could be good for using on business cards. Like I just ordered 500 new business cards and put this on the back of it. This could be used in direct mailers, on billboards, pretty much anything physical where you want to send somebody to a landing page. This is how to do it.